Welcome to our video on how to protect yourself from dengue fever in the tropics. Dengue fever is a serious disease that is transmitted through the bite of infected mosquitoes. It is important to take precautions to avoid getting infected, especially if you are traveling or living in tropical regions. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to protect yourself from dengue fever so that you can enjoy your time in the tropics without worrying about getting sick. Tips for protecting yourself from dengue. Tip number 1: wear protective clothing. Our first tip is to wear protective clothing to avoid getting bitten by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are most active during the day, especially during dawn and dusk. When you are out during these times, wear long-sleeved shirts and pants to cover your skin. You can also use insect repellent on exposed skin to prevent mosquito bites. Tip number 2: keep mosquitoes away from your living spaces. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, so you should make sure there is no standing water around your living space. Empty any water containers, such as buckets or flower pots that collect water. If you can't eliminate standing water, use mosquito nets on windows and doors to keep the mosquitoes out of your living space. You can also use fans as mosquitoes have difficulty flying in windy environments. Tip number 3: avoid mosquito-infested areas. Voiceover. When traveling or exploring a new place, avoid areas with a high concentration of mosquitoes. These areas include places with standing water, such as lakes, ponds, and wetlands. You should also avoid areas with a lot of vegetation as mosquitoes tend to breed in areas that provide them with shelter, so stay in open spaces. Tip number 4: seek medical attention if you experience dengue-like symptoms. Voiceover. If you develop a fever, headache, muscle or joint pain, or a rash, seek medical attention immediately. These are common symptoms of dengue fever. It is important to know that there is no cure for dengue fever, and the symptoms can last for several weeks. Seeking medical attention early can help you manage the symptoms and prevent further complications. Dengue fever is a serious disease that can be prevented by taking necessary precautions. Wearing protective clothing, eliminating standing water, avoiding mosquito-infested areas, and seeking medical attention if you experience symptoms are some ways to protect yourself from dengue fever. We hope you found this video helpful in staying safe while traveling or living in the tropics. Please subscribe, share and like video. Thank you for watching.